DeWalt DCBL772X1 cordless blower, 60 volt, flex volt, brushless. Going to talk about it coming up. I'm Roger, obviously not at the shop. I'm at our campsite along the river, along with the shadflies. I had a big hatch last night and they like latch onto everything, as you can kind of see here. But what I'm come to talk about here is this DeWalt Flex Volt brushless blower. Of course, if you've watched any of my other videos, you know I invested in the DeWalt platform. Wanted to stick with it. A cordless blower up here would be nice. We do have a corded blower, but it's kind of difficult to drag that cord around all the obstacles we have around here. And I need to use this down on the boat, and I don't always want to drag a cord all the way down the dock out onto the boat. Especially with the low water this year, we have to keep our boat all the way out at the end of our dock, and our dock is almost 80 feet long. So it kind of gives you an idea. And even out there, when you get in the water, you're lucky to get it much above your knees. But we're going to unbox this thing, see what it looks like. Of course, you got a charger. That's important. I didn't really need the charger and batteries, but I decided it'd be nice to have an extra setup for out here. So there's the blower itself, cardboard on it. And there should be a little bit of assembly here, but it shouldn't be much. Can't get hold of that guy. Battery's tucked inside the chute here. And it looks like I'm going to be charging this before I do any demonstration. Well, we'll get on to the assembly part of it here. I'm sure there's a manual in here somewhere. Oh, of course, right there that you might read, maybe, maybe not. Probably hear a lot of noise around behind because there's a lot of people out here. It's the 4th of July weekend. Cardboard there. This is pretty straightforward. Got a little notch here, or a little protrusion there. You align with the notch here. Slip it on, it snaps in. So, looks like this. Can't do much with it until I charge that battery, so we'll be back when I do that. Okay, so it's a little windy and there's a lot of things going on out on the river and jet skis and boats and stuff, and so you may hear some outside noise, but get the battery charged, so we'll get that popped in here. A bit of a speed control here on it. And it's got some serious velocity to it, so I'll give you a little bit of a demonstration. And then there's some things you just can't resist doing. you got a little bit of something out of this. This works very well, does everything we need it to do, and comes complete with shad flies. Yeah, and as you saw, I stirred them up. But if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up, always helps the channel. Of course, always looking for subscribers. Next to that subscribe button's a little bell. You click that bell and you'll be notified when I post another video. Otherwise, I'm Roger, not in the shop, but out at camp, playing with a blower and disturbing some shad flies. Thanks for watching.